Hello, my name is METİN Arıdaşır. This is 406th part of explanation of my theory. Arıdaşır's, my new, timeless, beyond three-dimensional, inherent vision, imagination theory. In physics and math theories, in three-dimensional coordinate systems or three-dimensional space systems, each of x, y, z perpendicular to the other two. Okay, like this. This is ideal. But this is not valid for our vision and imagination here. Reality. Our cube vision in beyond three-dimensional. Our cube thought in ideal universe that is not real. Yes. Even if all objects in the observable universe, including our bodies, were at rest, the objects would not fit into this three-dimensional coordinate system. One of these x, y, z axes would never be perpendicular to the other two, like this, never. Yes. And angles between them would be variable. For instance, there is no cube in our vision or imagination with all sides the same size. Okay. Here, different sizes, all edges are different sizes, have different sizes. Perspective can never be represented by three-dimensional coordinates. Perspective is inherent in our vision, and observable universe can be seen only in perspectives. Let a cube I'm sorry. Yes. Let a cube emits white light be positioned motionless at the center of a static empty space. Empty sphere. Let the entire inner surface of this empty sphere be our eye. What would be the shape of this cube under these conditions where there is no motion? Can you imagine this cube? Even no needs patching a clock. Even everything is motionless. You cannot imagine this cube. Now, let this spherical eye only see each of the 6 surfaces of this cube as the same size. For doing this, some of the sensitive areas of the eye sphere should be deleted. What would be the shape of this cube? How many dimensions would there be? Do our ordinary perspective rules work in this case? Could this square now appear as a kind of trapezoid with its dimensions changed? Now, let the cube be a pendulum. In each moment's photograph, we will see that the squares of the cube take the shape of a trapezoid of different sizes. These changes are in the beyond three-dimensional changes. When we turn these photos into a movie, we also see the cube approaching and receding. We will see this cube moving back and forth in almost all directions, right and left at the same time. The cube will change shape and will shrink and grow at the same time and take symmetrically opposite shapes. Traditionally, we said that we couldn't visualize anything beyond three dimensions. So, can we visualize this pendulum with our current sensation and perception organs or equipments? We have an eye here that sees an object moving forward and backward and left and right in all directions at the same time. Where is the time, past, present, and future in this different and possible vision view that is not our own? All of these are directly perceptible changes, and it's not the clock that comes into play as the fourth dimension, but other mechanisms. I think curved retina, solid angle rules, and inverse square rules play very important roles in our vision and perspective, even if everything is motionless and viewed with one at-rest eye. Our vision exceeds three dimensions, at least leaves three dimensions undefined. Have a good day. See you later.